Hello, welcome to my Google Sheets and Forms tutorial video. The purpose of this video is to introduce those new to Google Sheets and Google Forms to some of their more advanced functions. Today I will focus on inserting charts and editing them, and how you can use Google Forms to generate charts for you. These skills will help you present data in ways that are easier for viewers to understand. Charts and graphs are a great way to present complicated data in a visual medium such as Facebook or a newspaper article. In this tutorial, we will be inserting a chart into a Google Sheet and customizing it. Then I will show you some of the tools available in Google Forms to generate charts for you. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to add your own charts to Google Sheets and customize them for your needs. You will also be able to generate simple Google Forms. First, you will need to open a sheet. I have one here with numbers from our people counter from the past 4 months. Let's say we want to generate a chart to show the board of directors how many people came in on a specific day of the week or month of the year. To do this, click on Insert and select Chart. We will go with a simple bar graph. The graph automatically populates with the data we have given it. However, see how the bars are not labeled? Here is how we can change that. Copy and paste the numbers from one column into another. So that erases our chart. And now we need to tell the chart where to get the data. To do that, we need to open the legend and edit the data range. There we go. Then we will put the months in column A. Now we will have to tell the chart how to add the months to the x-axis. So we will open up our legend, go to the setup, there it is, and select the data range. So we'll do that. And there we go. So notice once we were in the legend, there were a couple of ways that we could have done that. For instance, we didn't have to copy and paste the numbers over, but I wanted to be able to show you how you can edit the data range, and that's one of the easiest ways to do that. Once we are in here, there's a lot of things that you can customize. You can change what type of chart it is. You can do all sorts of very interesting things to make your chart more visually appealing. We can go to the different tabs, vertical axis, horizontal axis. It allows you to completely customize anything. Let's add a title to our chart. There we go. And now that gives us something to show that's visually appealing. There's some more things like make it bigger, 3D. That is how you generate a simple chart in Google Sheets. Google Sheets can be intimidating because we are used to Excel, and while Sheets is more intuitive, it can be hard to get out of our Excel rut. I hope this portion helps you make better use of the charts tool in Google Sheets. Okay, now I would like to show you a form that we put together at my library to survey the community about our hours. So here is our survey. So we have this nice multiple choice portion that Google makes a very nice pie chart out of. It does this automatically with no work on our part. You can change the colors, but it just gives you a really quick and easy way to visualize your data, and you didn't have to do anything. Back to the top. Okay, so Google Forms is super handy. New form. It allows you to make everything from a survey to a quiz to a request box. We use Google Sheets for almost all of our online requests and surveys through our website. So here's a multiple choice option. You can add as many or as few questions as you would like. This required option allows you to get information that you want people to absolutely answer, such as contact information. To add a different question, you can use the plus sign icon, and this pull-down menu will give you some options. So another option that we like to use is the short answer. This allows your respondents to give their answer in their own words. Another useful type of question is this multi-choice grid. We use this in our interview process. We ask people to rank how they would handle technology issues, and it gives us an idea of how people troubleshoot. So that's very useful. Google Sheets is extremely easy to use. You can drag and drop questions. So if you want to reorder the way you have things, that's the simple drag and drop. Lastly, I would like to show you some of the settings that can really make Google Sheets work for you. I use this option frequently. The response receipt allows me to use Google Forms for a volunteer application online form that we use. It automatically emails me each time someone completes the form, and I can review the application and quickly respond to the individual. And then, as I mentioned before, we use this Google Forms in our interview process. The quizzes option allows us to lock down certain portions of Chrome so that we know people aren't like cheating, Googling to get the answer, although that would be a good use of technology, so they probably wouldn't get marked down for that. But it also allows you to give real-time feedback to the person if they're getting the answers wrong or not. So this quizzes, it's very useful. Presentation can also be useful for people if you're taking a training quiz to show progress or to change it up for different individuals. So all in all, Google Sheets is extremely versatile. It can be used for many different things, but it is great at collecting data and allowing you to digest it very quickly and easily. Again, here is the result of the survey that we did with our community, and it's very easy to see what people had to say. And it's very useful to us to make decisions in the future. So I hope this portion of the tutorial was helpful in showing you how to better use forms to both gather data and other uses. It's a very versatile tool, and I hope that this tutorial gives you some confidence to both use charts in sheets and use data collection tools in forms. Thank you for listening to my tutorial. Happy Googling!